everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I've missed you guys so very much. I hope you're having an amazing day and that you're having an amazing week so far. Today I have a really exciting video for you guys. We're continuing on with my at-home beauty series. You can probably tell by the title of this video what we're going to be doing, and it's something, I'll give you a hint, that we talk a lot about on my channel, but it's something that I personally love and I've heard that you guys love as well, so let's get on to it. So I zoomed you up a little bit closer. Please do not mind this little thing. I messed with it and I usually never pick at my face, but it really hurts, so I tried to, and now it's cute. So this is what the kit looks like. It is by Vasul. It's a lash lifting. Basically, it's like an eyelash perming kit, and it comes with all of these little products. So there's an eyelash glue, the perm solution, a fixation, nutrition cleanser, and then a cleaning tool and lift pads. These are, you know, if you were going to do an eyelash lift. I'm not going to do that right now, but I also, if we have time and if the baby is still sleeping, maybe this will be a brow lamination and at-home lash lift. Let's see how far we get. I did my eyebrows yesterday. You can see that they're all clean and nicely shaved for you guys. If you're at home and don't have the time to go get your eyebrows professionally done, I have a tutorial up on my channel on how to get your eyebrows really snatched and fleeky at home. So I will link that down below as well for you to check out before we proceed. Now, according to the instructions, they say to use number 4, which is the cleansing solution, before to remove all oil, dust, skincare, and makeup away. I currently only have like my skincare routine and some light foundation. You can check out my no makeup tutorial. Shameless promo again. I'll link that down below so that you can see that. We're gonna take number 4. So cute and tiny. I'm just taking the cleanser on a cotton pad, and I'm gonna be cleaning my eyebrows so that they're completely clean. I'm so nervous, but I'm so excited. We're just winging this. Like, I really don't know what I'm supposed to be doing, but we're just hoping for the best. Now that our eyebrows are clean, I'm gonna be taking the lash glue and applying them onto my eyebrows, I guess. So I'm just gonna get every single hair up, and I think I'm gonna work in sections so that it doesn't dry or get weird along the way. And I'm just gonna be lifting those up while I go. I hope I don't end up looking like I have owl eyebrows, because that's not what we're trying to achieve here. I really hope this goes well. Okay, so I just finished using the lash glue, and I just made sure that all of the hairs are laying flat. This one is still drying. They kind of look a little crazy, but they look really like fluffy, and I'm liking it. So I hope that we can continue this smoothly. After you've done this step, you're supposed to use the perm lotion, which is number 1, and cover with plastic film for 8 to 10 minutes. So let's try that. These all come with little stoppers, so I'm assuming because this is for multiple use, this is just gonna keep everything in its most fresh state so that it doesn't like oxidize or anything. So I'm keeping these on the side to make sure I cover them back. I'm sorry if there's any background noise. This stuff smells really bad, so I had to open up a window. I'm gonna be taking the perm solution on a cotton swab, I think, because there's no instructions on like what to actually do. So I'm gonna be taking a little bit of that and just coating it all through my eyebrows. It smells like rotten eggs. I cannot. It says after you've covered your eyebrows with the perm solution to take some saran wrap or cling wrap and just place it on your eyebrows I think my child is gonna laugh at me. Can you recognize mommy? Yeah? Yeah? We gotta smile. We gotta smile. One day I was taking off my makeup and my whole entire face was black because I was using like a melting balm. And he still gave me a laugh. He was still smiling. So I was like, if he can recognize me like that, he'll be able to recognize me in literally any way. This is so funny. This is the new look, guys. Spring and summer, here we fucking come. So after 10 minutes of the perm solution on, it says to take to step number 2. These are numbered really weird. Like they're not numbered in the order that instructions say to be using it. I'm gonna take another Q-tip, use the fixing solution, apply it onto my eyebrows, and go ahead and put on some more. We are back. It's been about 9 minutes. Still smells so bad. Now we're going to be taking, again, the cleansing solution on a cotton pad and removing everything that we have. Now, you know, this is one of those, like, not low quality kit, but just, I don't know. It says the same instruction twice, so, like, what more can I say? Let's just say my expectations are not too high, but as of where we are right now, I think it's looking pretty good. Let's see how we finish off. Okay, so again, I'm going to be taking this on a cotton pad. We are back. I'm going to zoom you in closer to see what it looks like. I've completed all of the steps. This is what it looks like. I thought that it just makes your eyebrows look like that, you know, fluffy brow all the time, and that the hairs like don't move. However, the hairs definitely do move, and you can kind of just shape them as you like. I think this is just like a straightening, I guess perming is the correct word to use, for your eyebrow hairs or your eyelashes to just make them, I don't know, go in the shape that you do. So if you're gonna curl your lashes and you like lift them up and they stay that way, then it's gonna curl. And if you straighten your eyebrow hairs back like we did, then it's just gonna make the hairs straight. I think it did make a difference, and I can kind of play with the way that it all sits. And overall, I kind of really love it. Just want to say that I'm definitely not a professional, and I'm just a beauty lover, and I like trying new things, especially DIY style. I think that this is totally mom approved, and if you have a baby or a newborn, this is something you can definitely do. Just be sure to be in an open area and have windows open when you are doing this, or not have your baby around you, because some of the products do have a scent to them that is not, I don't think it is safe for anyone. This is something that is really fun to do, fun to try, and everyone should do it. I mean, I don't know if I did it 100% correctly, although I did follow all of the instructions and the waiting time. I expected them to just really stay up, or maybe I'm just brushing them into place, who knows. But I am gonna test it out, see how they wear. I'm not gonna get these wet for 24 hours. Although the eyebrows was something that I could definitely do with a baby around, I don't think I would be able to do my lashes by myself with the baby. So yeah, next time I have a babysitter, we're gonna try to do a lash lift. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'm so excited to be back in motion, full effect. Really fun new videos coming out really soon for you guys. And yeah, I hope you are having an amazing day. Have an amazing rest of your week and weekend, and we will be in touch really, really soon. I love you guys so much. Mwah. Bye.